Okay, a massive video. Today I'm going to show you how to combine Claude API and GoHighLevel to give you what I can only call an ethical advantage, because we're going to build an app that works flawlessly inside the sidebar of your SubAccount for your client. Now this is different to any video I've made previously, and I'm going to show you an example build, but you can build anything. This works the same. The process is the same, but what I'm going to build is a custom AI auditing tool for your client inside their SubAccount where they input their details and instantly see where they're losing money, where they can do better. But here's where it gets crazy. Every result that the app will give is directly a solution you can sell through Highlevel. So instead of chasing clients, you have a system inside your GoHighLevel account which is doing it for you. I'm going to show you the exact setup, API, prompts, everything. But please do not skip steps, because I'll spend over like 10 hours and one minor jigsaw puzzle. If you get rid of it and you skip over it, the whole thing fails. So if you just be regimented, watch this to the end, I guarantee you it will work flawlessly. And just a disclaimer, this is not as simple as my previous builds. We're going to go through a few things. So let's go through it now. Okay, so let's get right into it. So have your Highlevel and then have Claude, and then this one we'll go through together, so I'll get rid of that for now. Anyway, so log into Claude, right? And just check what email you've logged in with and just take a mental note of that first. Then go here and type in Claude, then open a new tab and type in Claude console and just log in. So continue with Google and remember what Google account you signed in with the normal Claude, right? And do that. All right, we're basically in now, okay? Then I'm just going to grab the API key from this, okay? Just so later on we don't have to faff around, we just chuck it in. So on your dashboard now, go to API keys and then press create key and then name it Claude app like this. Press add. Okay. Then what you want to do is, obviously I've blanked this out because you can't see this, but you want to copy this key, right? And then open like a Word document and just paste that key in there. Keep it safe and just close this tab. Okay, so that key is safe and done. Okay, so then on billing, you want to add like $5. Now, you may be thinking, what the hell, I didn't know we have to pay. If you add like $5 to $10, right, you will get like so many use cases out of it. It's definitely worth it. Like it's like £3, $5, whatever. So just press buy credits and then just purchase 5 credits, £3, $5 worth of credits. It will take quite a long time for it to go to 0. Then you can set it so the credits will never go down to 0. If it hits a certain marker, it auto tops up, which I normally add in. Okay, so your Claude platform now has credits and we have the API, okay? And we're in the Claude, which is connected to the same email as the Claude platform, okay? Cool. Okay, then you want to add this prompt. Now, if you can't be bothered to type it up, if you comment prompt, I'll send you the prompt, okay? So here it is. Boom, 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 your HTML file. It should be multi-step that collects, boom. So I would say get rid of this. Now, in this part, you want it to tell it what the app to do. So I want the app. I'll do this now. Okay, so this is the prompt. So the original one, then I've added, I want to build an app for my GoHighLevel clients where my clients fill out business criteria questions you deem as suitable to get the best use case out of the app, whereby once the client fills out the app, they get a full breakdown of areas they can improve to gain extra revenue. Now, the genius behind this is that the improvements can be improved by GoHighLevel features. And next to the improvement is a button saying implement today with a calendar link linking to my GoHighLevel affiliate calendar. That's just an example. So I just went into my sub account, went to the calendar I built, went to share calendar, copy the permanent link, and here's my affiliate calendar, right? That's probably a good time to say for one-on-one support, if you use the first link description, one-on-one support with me plus all the perks here. So be sure to use the first link to get one-on-one support and gain knowledge of these things before everyone else. Plus all those perks, look how cool they are. Alright, cool. Okay, next we need to grab the API that we saved in that Word document and put it here. Okay, so now let's just press paste and let's go with it. Claude is so crazy. Watch, it's gonna like code the whole thing perfectly. Well, now we wait and I'm just gonna doom scroll. All right, so it's done its thing, design, blah, blah, blah. And it's given us the HTML. Let's go, boom. And here we go. It's pretty insane. Now, what I would recommend you do is tell Claude to add your logo. So you can add your logo to the top, make it look even better, right? So boom. Now, this is why we had to add the API, because if you just go in Claude and play around with the app, it generates responses. But if you go and we iframe this into a custom menu link on the side tab of Highlevel, it does not work, right? You absolutely need to have that connected, otherwise it does not work, okay? Now you want to play around. Now if you've got any questions with this, if you join my affiliate program, you get one-on-one support with me, message me personally, jump on a call with me personally, then obviously that'd be better. So that's a key benefit obviously joining. Cool. So now how do you put this into GoHighLevel? I'm going to use the first draft. Normally I play around with Claude for hours because I want to get everything perfect. But what's the point of me doing that for a video, right? You guys know the strategy and the playbook. So this is what we do. Go to download and it will download here. Then you want to open a tab called netlify.com and press login. And then once you log in, just press add a new project. Now I need to break the third wall here. This is what you need to do is add a folder, press new folder, name it, I'll just name it YouTube video, and then nothing's in at the moment. So then what you want to do is come here and drag that HTML that we just downloaded into there, and then you want to rename this index.html. Okay, then drag this into here to manually and let it do its thing. Cool, now we have a HTML for the app. Now grab this HTTPS, then go into your agency view on your sub account. So switch to agency view, then go to custom menu links on the bottom on settings and press create new. Then icon, we can have this, let's just grab this, then because the client's going to fill this out, then put the URL in, and then iframe it. Do you want it in agency sub account or sub account? Which sub accounts? You can have it in all sub accounts excluding some. Visibility, I always have it as all, and press save. Now here we go, improve your business, and there we go. It's insane what we can do with this. Okay, and we fill this out, blah blah blah. And look how cool that is. When I fill that out, you see what I mean? Like we could play around with the super cool things. Add industry, that probably goes up more, blah blah blah, goes up more. If you add your whole business here, it will be insane. And then fill it all out and I'll let you guys see the results. You'll be mind blown. Okay, now if you want a cool part 2, let me just see. Comment CK, just confuse everyone else, whoever has not watched till the end. You should comment CK if you want more videos like this, like a part 2 to this. Okay, because there is a part 2. Who's watching? I don't know who's watching right now. I'm in a room by myself just talking to a little circle, right? You know what I'm saying? So comment CK if you want to know a part 2, and if you want one-on-one support with me plus all the perks here, join the affiliate program. It's 30-day free trial with Highlevel plus one-on-one plus all my snapshots, contract, everything there. Okay, so it's a no-brainer to join. So yeah, please like the video. Please like the video. Comment CK if you want a part 2, and comment, was it water bottle, if you want the prompt. Okay, so 2 things. I don't know, I like saying random stuff because it's just funny for anyone that just looked at the comments like, why is everyone saying water bottle? You know what I mean? Whatever. Okay, cool. Like the video. Bye bye.